Hi ELA 2, this is Miss Recheck. Just want to give you an announcement on what you're going to be doing this week. You are still in your true crime unit. You should have now read the play Trifles and completed an inferencing worksheet to turn in. If you have not done that, you need to start there, which is lesson 1. We do have the audio and PDF version of the text, so these little tools here are for you to be able to open and read the play and also to listen to it. On lesson 2, you're going to take theme and dramatic irony, and you're going to write about those that you've learned or how can you apply them to the play Trifles, and you will post that in your reader's notebook on OneNote. This week is the week 2 for September 14th and September 18th. You have lesson 3, which is the newspaper article over the true crime event of Trifles. You'll notice that the names are a little different because this is about the real people and the real event. And some of those things were changed to fictionalize the crime for the play that you read. You'll answer the questions and do the who, what, when, where, why in your OneNote on your reader's notebook. And then you have lesson 4, which is a new newspaper article over the Kitty Genevieve's true crime that happened in New York City. You'll read the article and answer the questions. I think there's an inferencing worksheet you'll download. Let's click on that. Let's look. Yep, there's an inferencing worksheet you'll download right here. You'll need to fill it out and save that and then upload it. You'll download this, write in it, and then save it and upload it to Canvas. All of these things are due on Sunday at midnight. And our Sunday is going to be the 20th. So Sunday the 20th at midnight, you have lessons 3 and 4 due. If you have not yet completed lessons 1 and 2, you need to do that today because they are late. Thank you, and email me with any questions or concerns.